I welcome you to this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use array in Revit Architecture. I want to model staircase now, but before I model the staircase, I want to sketch out the floor plan first. So I want to have all this line. The traditional way of replicating this line is to copy, is to use copy. But if I want to use copy now, I'll type 300 mm, I'll press enter. It is going to slow me down, it's not going to be fast. Okay, so if I want to be fast, the best tool to use is array, and this is the icon. Okay, so what I will do is simply select it, that object I want to array. You simply select them, and once you have selected them, you are going to go to the array icon. You can also type AR on your keyboard and it will activate the array command. And once the array command is activated, you will look at the option bar here. If you select this group and associate, it means that the result will be lumped together. It will be like a group. Okay, but if you uncheck it, they will not be in group. This is linear array and this is angular or radial array. This one work if you want to have something like something that is in circular format. Okay, let's say you want to have lines inside a cycle. That is when this one will work. But for what we want to do now is linear in nature. Okay, then the next thing is the number of copy you want to have. For example, I may want to have 12. Okay, then there is another option here, move to second. Move to second meaning that from this first object to the second one, you can specify the distance. Okay, and that means the distance will be calculated from the second. Then last, meaning that this particular object will fill where you stop. Okay, for this training, let's use second. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to select all this and move it to a certain distance. Type the distance you want to specify. I want it to be at 300 mm. I'll press enter on my keyboard and boom, that is it. It has copied it. And the good part is that they are not lumped together because I didn't use group and associate. Okay, so I believe you have learned something about array in this video. If you want to gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Simply tap on it, it will take you to where you can enroll in my Revit tutorial masterclass.